It's 2025, and whilst you're sleeping, people are becoming crypto billionaires overnight. Like, there are so many people that have gained generational wealth the past couple of days. Different cryptocurrencies are emerging, new meme coins are coming out, people are literally cashing out. If all this sounds crazy to you and you want to get into cryptocurrency, you first need to purchase your first cryptocurrency. And that is what we are going to do in today's video. I'm going to show you how to buy and sell your first cryptocurrency using one of the most popular platforms right now, Binance. And there are so many platforms you can use to do this, but today we're going to be focusing on Binance. Binance has been one of the applications that a lot of people have used to buy, sell cryptocurrencies, and they have a very good reputation. That is why I'm going to use them for today. If you like this video, we're going to try out other platforms in future videos. But just in case you're wondering, what is cryptocurrency? To simplify it, cryptocurrency is a digital currency, an alternative form of payment created using an encrypted algorithm. So basically, unlike using cash, cryptocurrency is just like a digital form of your cash, so you can use to buy, sell, trade stocks, and the likes. And some of the famous cryptocurrencies right now, we definitely have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. There are a whole lot. Even now, Trump launched his own meme coin, which is literally skyrocketing right now. A lot of people became millionaires from this coin a few days ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase your first cryptocurrency. Let's say USDT. So now, all you have to do is to download the Binance application. It's available on the App Store and the Play Store. This is what the logo looks like. Once you download this, before you can trade, make sure you verify your account. If you're in Ghana, all you need is your Ghana card. Take a picture, give them all the necessary information that they need, and in no time, your account is set up. And now, let's get into the application. So we are going to assume we are all beginners. So the first time that you download and install the Binance application, it's normally going to take you to this homepage, right? But to start trading, we're going to switch from this to the Pro homepage. And to do this, all you have to do is to hit the Binance icon at the top left, and we'll find the Binance Pro toggle at the bottom of the screen. All you have to do is to tap that. Moving from our overview to our funding, where our current USDT balance is about $99. In this video, we're going to find out how to actually purchase more USDT for whatever purpose you want to get it for. So currently, we have about 99.41 US dollars in our wallet, and we are going to use the P2P option to get some more USD. You can just click this one, or we'll go to the home screen, and at the top button, we can just search P2P. If you can't find the P2P toggle, this is a way you can actually find it, P2P, and just tap on this. And if you're wondering what P2P is, it basically means peer-to-peer. So this service basically allows users to trade cryptocurrency without any third party. So what that means is that you don't need any bank coming into these transactions. All you need is a software to link both parties, and they can actually trade together. And here, we're going to find all the available merchants, that is people that you can actually purchase some USDT from. There are a lot of them. You might probably want to look through some of them before you choose, because some have different rates and some have different rules to which they trade. Like some might actually receive from the bank, and mostly in Ghana, most of them receive from Momo. Okay, so I'm sure at this point you're wondering, all these merchants, how can you know to trust any of them? That is actually cool. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people like to trade on platforms like this, because for instance, Binance offers the escrow service. This is basically a financial agreement where the third party is going to come between the two parties and is going to hold all the necessary assets or cryptocurrencies between these two parties. And when the two of these parties come together and they agree on their terms and transfer rules, the third party in turn comes in and releases both assets to the different parties. So basically, Binance is going to come between us and it's going to hold your cryptocurrency for you, so you don't have a situation where you sent your cryptocurrency and you didn't receive your money. So we're going to take a look at one of them and see what they are going to ask you for. One of my favorite features that Binance gives you right from this page is that you can see how many trades each merchant has and their success rates, and also the feedback from people that traded with them, and normally how long a trading session is supposed to take. In this case, mostly maximum 15 minutes. So let's verify if this is true. To check how many minutes it might take us to complete one trade, this is the time as we started at 7:01. And also, every merchant at a particular point in time has an amount of money they are willing to buy or sell from you. So make sure you take note of this before you go start a trade with them. In our case, we just want to buy about 35 US dollars. That would be about 500 Ghana cedi. So this merchant should be okay for us. Once you start, you're going to see how much this one is willing to trade. In this case, this guy is willing to take 500 to 10,000 Ghana cedis. But the most important part is to scroll up and see the rules or the way in which they want to trade with you. In this case, all he says is that drop your mobile money number, allow cash out, then he's going to withdraw the money from you, which means you have to put in the password when he starts the process, and this is going to let him receive the money. So I'm going to put in the amount of Ghana cedi I'm willing to exchange for my USDT, in this case 563, and as you can see, this is going to give me the equivalent of about 34 USDT. Then you go ahead to place your order. Once it's done, normally what I want to do is that you go to the chat and try to find out if the merchant is online. Over here, you see his terms and conditions again, but try and start a chat with the merchant. This will let you know if they are currently online. Mine says online at the top, but we're actually going to see if it's actually online. And his terms were to drop my number and allow cash out. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop my number and go and allow cash out. Once that is done, you come back to the Binance application and let him know that you've allowed cash out, and you have to wait. Just take your time and wait. In less than a minute, I received a notification to put in my password, and that is the amount. I just verified the amount and I did put in my password. Now you let them know you've approved. Then now go to the top part of it and go to view payment details. This is the part you're going to alert the merchant that you've made the payment. You've approved the payment, and he should send you his part of the bargain. So transferred, it will ask you to upload payment proof. Then you attach a screenshot of your payment made. Select it from your gallery and hit I have read and understood the above information, transferred, notify seller. Once this is done, the merchant is also going to check to see if he has actually received your payment, and once it's done, he's going to confirm it and send you your USDT. As you can see right here, I received my USDT. So now we're going to go back and check our balance to see if this actually came into our account. You can go there right from here by clicking the view assets. Go to view assets, and now you can see I have 134 USDT in my account. We started with 99 USDT and my 35 USDT has been received. When you do this, make sure you go back and give the merchant a review if you did a good job. And just like that, you receive your first cryptocurrency. Now let's try and sell. So just like we did for buying the USDT, we're going to do the same thing for selling our USDT. So you can go to the home screen and find P2P Trading. This is the same way we are going to sell our USDT. Choose P2P. And this time around, instead of staying on the buy option, we're going to switch to the sell option part of the P2P trading platform. To do this, all you have to do is just tap on the sell. It should be on the top left. Just tap on the sell. And just like the buying, you see different merchants here with different rates. And just like the buying as well, with different number of transactions that they've done, their success rates, and also the reviews from their buyers. And also you see how long it normally takes. And ideally, it normally takes 15 minutes for most of them to sell their USDT to you or buy your USDT. Now you find someone that's willing to take the amount of USDT that you want to sell. In this case, this guy can take about 500 Ghana cedi to 20,000. So we'll choose him. The price has been updated due to the fact that prices keep going up and down. You just refresh and check the rates at which they are giving it to you. And you see if you want to continue, you just continue. So we're going to put in the quantity that I want to sell, in this case 35 USDT, and as you can see from here, I'm going to receive 563 Ghana cedis. And just like we did earlier, don't forget to read the advertiser's rules. You can even scroll up and see people's reviews about this merchant. Then it will help you decide if you want to trade with them or not. Once you're confident with a merchant, you choose place order. Once the order starts, what I like to do in this part, just like the first time, is to go to the chart and try to find out if the merchant is available. As you can see from the top, the last time he was here was 1 minute ago, but we're still going to the chat and try and engage the merchant. So let's just reach out. Let's say hello. It might take a second or two or some few minutes for them to reply. So as usual, just wait. As you can see, he came to reply. He said, yeah. I asked him if he's good to go. And I received my payment. He replied, yeah, and says payment done. Once my payment has been received, just like when we're purchasing, we go to the top and tap on the payment received. Here, we're going to alert Binance that yes, we've actually received, and Binance will carry on their part by sending a USDT to the merchant. So it's a win-win. Everyone is happy. I also must say the security on the Binance application is top notch. In this case, it uses my Face ID to get in. So nobody's just going to be using your account to be sending money to anyone at all. You have to be there to allow something like this to happen. And from here, you can see my USDT has been sold. Okay, so as you can see, buying and selling cryptocurrency is not difficult at all. This is not something you should be afraid of. Once you do it, the platform is going to give you all the security and assurance you need to transact with these merchants. Just make sure that you're using a very trustworthy platform like Binance, and there are other ones that I'm going to be demonstrating in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe to this page. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, don't keep it to yourself. Like it and share it with your friends so they'll be able to learn something or two. And as usual, stay liquid, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.